Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel.
Y'all, it's been one of them days. I took a picture of what was in my refrigerator prior to shooting this video, and me doing too many things, I erased it. So what you getting ready to get in this video, you're going to see what I threw away, which is a lot of food. And I literally feel embarrassed right about now because life caught up with me and my refrigerator was looking atrocious. You know, if I didn't live here, I don't know if I would have wanted to eat out of there. I live in a house with 2 young adult men, a husband, a dog, and some other stuff. And my refrigerator got out of sync. You know, I try my best to clean it every day, but I had the guilt trip. I had the guilt trip because I'm the only one that's going to clean it. Ain't nobody else going to clean it up in here. So I had the guilt trip. I went in there. It was so much stuff in there. I got frustrated. And prior to cleaning it out, I took pictures, I did video, and it erased. So evidently, the God didn't want me to show what was in there. But I'm going to show you in the bag. You'll see in this trash bag all the mess that was in there. And I'm taking some steps to get it clean. And I promised myself that it will never get like that again. 3 things that I'm learning about life. Number 1 is that I'm not going to buy food if I know it's not going to get eaten within 3 days. Why? When I buy fruits and vegetables, they spoil. For some reason, is it me? Is it only me? But they spoil. I have all kind of utensils, all that kind of storage stuff to store them in. It spoils. You know why? Because we get caught up. You know, and I think I'm going to eat stuff and I don't. You know, actually, the more mature I've gotten, the older I've gotten, my appetite has kind of like decreased. I used to be hungry all the time. I still be hungry all the time, but I eat in sections. I eat like 6 meals a day, like snacking. I'm always snacking on something. I got snacks right here. Got snacks right here too, yes. But this refrigerator, So I promised myself and I asked everybody in my family, please, let's be mindful. Let's eat our leftovers. That's number 2. I got to learn how to eat leftovers. See, you know what? We done got a little privilege in our life, and leftovers just don't taste good. The only things I would eat over again is like, sometimes I don't even eat that, but chicken, greens. I love me some collard greens. I'll eat those over again. Macaroni and cheese. I'll eat that day 2. But after that, I don't want it no more. So I think I'm going to work on how to get better at disposing of leftovers. I just don't want them. Am I the only one that don't eat leftovers? Sometimes I do. But you know what? Again, that privilege. You know, we got it there. We ain't got to eat it. And number 3, the next thing I'm going to learn how to do is learn how to rotate my food. I'm learning how to rotate it. I go to the store, it seems like every dang on day. I promise you. I'm in the grocery store every day. But I'm going to learn how to rotate my food. I know I need to do better. See, I'm working on it. I know my mistakes, okay? So stay tuned. Here you go for this video of me cleaning out my refrigerator. I hope you enjoy. It looks so much better. I'm so grateful and thankful for this opportunity. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button and that bell so you'll know when Nichelle goes live. So I'm giving you a real life look here. Look how much food I have thrown away. Some of it was expired, and I typically try not to keep food in my refrigerator that's expired more than a week, 2 weeks, depending on what it is. I did throw away this whole bag of potatoes because I looked at it and it expired September 30th. So I don't know the duration of that, but some of them were a little rotted, and probably no telling when they bagged that bag of potatoes. So the life expectancy of it, I just didn't want to feed that to my family, because I have researched enough stuff to know that when you keep too many things in your refrigerator too long, it does not, or it's not healthy for you. So I didn't want to take the chance of using those potatoes when I was making some type of potato dish. But all this food in here just really keeping me mindful of not to buy too much, especially now that the boys are in college. Me and my husband, we don't eat this much. In fact, we eat out mostly, and that's why you saw a ton of stuff in the refrigerator, because I have not been in there to literally like cook something lately. And I go shop and I don't necessarily look. So I'm going to start putting a list together, and I'm going to share with you how I'm doing that when I go to the store, so I'm not buying over what I don't need in my house and things that we're not going to eat. So this is the trash from the refrigerator that I just cleaned out right there. So let me go ahead and get everything else cleaned out. The lemons down there, so I can go ahead and start sterilizing and making sure that it is clean and nice before I put things back in. So I'm in the process of cleaning the glass that was inside the refrigerator. And yes, I am using Clorox bleach. 99% of bacteria and viruses, whatever is in that or on here, will be gone. So I'm making sure it's strictly clean. I love bleach. A lot of people, due to health concerns and things, a lot of people don't like it. But I try to just use it sparingly. In particular, when I'm doing a deep cleaning, I do use bleach with no problem at all. Have not had a problem. And I just like the fresh smell of clean that bleach gives. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this off and then get in the inside of the refrigerator and clean that as well. So now that I got all the food out, I'm going to spray the bleach inside of my refrigerator. Again, it's a personal preference. I prefer bleach to purify and get everything cleaned out. And of course, I make sure that all the food is out before I do this. So cleaning those shelves off, making sure it's clean. Got a lot of residue from red onions in there and just all kind of stuff that may have wasted as well. So let me go ahead and get this cleaned up for you here. I must say it took me a minute to do this because there were some serious stains on this glass. And yeah, so I had to scrub a little bit more than I planned on. But I got all that stuff up out of there, all that goop and grime. It truly feels good to accomplish something, especially when you see what it was before and what it looks like after. So now that we're so fresh and so clean, I have to add the baking soda. This goes way back. I know you got some in your refrigerator. If you don't, why not? 39 cents, make the whole refrigerator smell fresh. So now I get to organize all my drinks together, and I'm so excited about this because now I see what I got. I don't have to buy extra because I see what I got. I love these little smoothies there. Ooh, look, and it's neat and clean. So in here, I'm going to put all my cheeses, my wraps in here, organized. Yes, I can actually see stuff. This is amazing. Then my drinks and all that is going to go up on this top shelf here. Now, I had a little difficulty trying to figure out how I wanted it to be. Changed it a lot. My husband drinks milk so much. The boys do too. We need a dang on cow up in here. I drink cashew milk and coconut milk, but they drink their milk, so I try to keep it up front. And then that's my chai tea with my other regular tea. This tea is thebomb.com. If you have not had it, you better get you some. It is really delicious. So I got tired of my eggs being in cartons. I wanted something cute, classy, and accessible. This little cart here, I think it was like about $3.80 at Home Goods. It works perfectly. It does not take up that much space. And as you can see, double things that we have in our house. Again, mayonnaise. Both of these cans of mayonnaise expire at the same time. Jars of mayonnaise. Then I got my butter. Had 2 cartons of butter, but I compromised and put all of them in one little carton. If you have not had these cinnamon rolls, again, you're missing out on a whole lot. Those things are super delicious. Make them every Saturday morning. And I have to have my beets. Beets are good for the heart. Those are something I put in my salad, and sometimes I eat it by itself or with eggs. Really delicious. And I love my oranges. I do fresh squeezed orange juice. I know you saw the other orange juice, but that's my son's. I like to squeeze my orange juice. I think I'm going to put the tomatoes and some breakfast meat in here. Again, I'm going to switch this up, but right now it looks pretty good.
And then in here, I'm going to put all my salad dressings. And as you can see, again, 2 types of salad dressings open. And why didn't I drink all that hot sauce up? Or use it up, rather. Oh, well. But all this kind of stuff goes in here. It's nice and organized, so I can easily grab it when I am flavoring different foods, meats, and all that kind of good stuff. Again, 2 of the same things that are open. But it's organized. My amino. Yes, I'm loving this already. Put my lemons down here. I do fresh squeezed lemon juice as well. And my ginger. Looks good. I am so proud of myself. Coffee creamer over there. Yes. Now, as you can see, I did put the rolls up there. It was just more space up there and it just looked better. And I can see it. Peppers. Italian dressing, just everything. That's good too. That ranch, barbecue sauce. Yes. This took me about 5 hours to do, but I tell you what, looking at it, I feel so proud of myself. My tray is organized and I can go in and grab anything I need and want without getting frustrated. My spinach. I am really proud of myself. I just have to pat myself on my back myself. Girl, you did the thing. Now, let's see how long it stays this way. I did end up switching the drawers and putting the tomatoes over here, carrots and all the veggies, asparagus. I figure it's better off cilantro that I keep all of that in one tray and then keep the meat in the other tray. Again, ease of access, so I can find stuff and it won't be all old and nasty. Yeah, look at all that meat I got in there. Breakfast meat. I'm loving this. My flavored butter. These are great for midnight snacks. Yogurt for my smoothies. Greek gods. And you gotta have you a little dessert late at night. Cheesecake. Yum. And my garlic for seasoning. This pepper jelly, ooh, super delicious. And that's my tray that I bought from Home Goods. I love those little things because I can just put my onions and my guac in there and I don't have to worry about putting it in a plastic bag. And my hummus. So now we are finished with everything. This perfect stainless steel, I just bought it trying to see how it works. I was not really impressed with it because it did leave some smudges on the refrigerator, but overall it's clean. Who cares? It did its job. And again, I am super proud of myself. Pat yourself on the back. Yay. I hope I inspired you to clean your refrigerator, and hopefully it wasn't as bad as mine, but hopefully you got that motivation. Thanks for watching. Blessings and peace.